Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add site and configure DNS in Cloudflare. First, we need to add a site and fill with our domain name and click Add Site in here. In here, I choose Free Plan, so and Confirm Plan. Cloudflare is scanning our DNS. If done, we can fill with manually. In here, Cloudflare doesn't detect our DNS record, so we can fill with our DNS record. For example, I have this DNS record. I will fill this. I choose Add Record. You can fill it in here for root domain. And then this is our DNS. Please fill with DNS record you want. In this case, I want to pointing my domain using Google IP address. In here, I want my domain name is connectwithblogger.com. And in here, I'm using CNAME. This is with www and then ghs.google.com. And the last is same as CNAME in here. For domain name, it's like this. I add record. Now I want to continue in here. That's all. Tutorial. How to configure DNS and add site in Cloudflare. If you have any question, you can fill in the form comment. But before I close this video, maybe you need to change your name server record. In here, I also changed my name server record. You can see there. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching and bye bye.